Pandas, convert a series which contains strings like 10% and 0.10 into numeric. What is the best way to convert a Pandas series that contains strings of the type 10% and 0.10 into numeric values? I know that if I have a series with just 0.10 type strings I can just do pd.to_numeric. I also know that if I have a series of 10% type strings I can do str.replace%, and then do pd.to_numeric and divide by 100. The issue I have is for a series with a mix of 0.10 and 10% type strings. How do I best convert this into a series with the correct numeric types? I think I could do it by first making a temporary series with true, false depending on if the string has % in it or not, and then based on that applying a function. But this seems inefficient. Is there a better way? What I have tried for reference.
Somehow you need a condition. This is one possible way.
A very neat solution based on this answer is
the easiest solution is to select entries using a mask and handle them in bulk.
Output.
Try. Prints.